You know, we watch this kind of laid-back, super chill and fun videos or vlogs. It always looks pretty cool, delicate, moody, therapeutic, or even luxurious sometimes. But the fact is, it can be really chaotic and challenging behind the scenes. Setting up tripods constantly, worry about if you got enough footage. But I'm not here to complain, because
I'm happy on my own, at least most of the time. I guess some of the time, maybe none of the time, I'm happy on my own.